We have learned so many functions of string class, and I have explained to you those functions in the earlier classes. Now few more functions we are going to discuss today. Very important functions. The first one is substring. As the name suggests, it is a part of a string. A part of a string is substring. So there are two formats of this function. The first format is s dot substring int. Here int representing the position of the character. S is string object. String S, suppose you are taking computer. What it does, if you write s dot substring 3, it will pick all the characters from this string, starting from this string till the end. The substring's first format, what it does, the position which you pass in the substring, single position, it start picking character from this position till the end of the string. So, in this case you have written 3, from 3 till the end, this is going to be the output. This is the first format of the function substring. The second format of substring is that s dot substring int comma int. There are two integer values are being passed. Here only single integer value were passed, and what it was doing, it was picking all the character from that particular position till the end of the string. Now here, initial position, the first position is initial position, final one is the final position. Initial position will always be less than the final position. Alright. Suppose in computer case, in this case, you want to pick a string in between the given string. So you have to give two values from where till where you want to pick the part of a string. Now s dot substring 3 comma put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you want to pick from 3rd to 5th. Now here there is a problem. In substring, the initial value which you have given is inclusive. It picks up that character. But the final position is exclusive. This value will not be picked by this substring. It will pick only the previous character, 4th position. So if you want to pick up the PUT, so you have to write down 3 comma 6. This position is inclusive, this is exclusive. It will start picking characters from this position and it will start the very first character till this position. This character will not be picked, right? So if you want to put from the word computer 3, 4, 5, so you have given 3 comma 6, then only 3, 4, 5 will be picked. This is the second function, second format of substring. Pause. Okay. There is a word in computer terminology that is concatenation. Concatenation. It means adding of two strings. Adding of two strings. Here adding means if two strings are being added, putting next to each other and making a new string. This is called adding of strings. And this process is called concatenation. That putting the next two strings next to each other and making a new string. So if you want to do this in Java programming language, so there is a method called concat for this purpose. Say s1 dot concat s2. S1 is the first string object, s2 is the second string object. Suppose string s1 is equals to Raj, string s2 is equals to Kumar. You want to concatenate. You want to put the next strings next to each other and making a new string. So string R is equals to s1 dot concat s2. If you will print R, it will print Raj, Kumar. So this method is used to concatenate two strings. Now, here I want to tell you one more thing. For the same purpose, we have an operator also. In Java, we have an operator called plus operator. This also does the same job. It adds the two string. Means if in place of this, you write string R is equals to S1 plus S2, it will give you the same output, that is Rajkumar. So When you do the programming, I am telling you that if you want to add two strings, if computer says, if the question says that use a method, so you have this concat method. Otherwise, if you want to concatenate two strings, you can also use this plus operator in place of concat method, right? So there is one more. I have given you the notes of these all methods. There you will find the difference and the definition of both the things. Pause. Now we have another method which is index of. INDEX capital OF. Now this function is used to find out the position of the first occurrence of the character. You can go through the definitions I am telling you. S dot index of char. S index string object, char is the character. What it does, suppose you have a word say computeronics. You want to know the position of a character O. So you write NAM dot index of O. Now you can see very clearly that O is at two places. It will tell you the position of the character on its first occurrence. जब वो character पहली बार है. So it is going to tell you index of is going to return you the position of the character's first occurrence. So in this 0, 1, this is the first position. So the output will be 1. If the character is found more than one position, it doesn't matter. It will tell you the first occurrence. Another thing very important thing about index of is that if the character which you are asking the position of is not present, it will return you -1. If the character of which you want to know the index of is the position of the character which is not present in the given string object, it will give you -1. Pause. Second format of index of is, the first format was s dot index of character. It was telling you the first occurrence of the position of the character. Now the second format says int comma char. Int is again the position and the character of which you want to know the position. Now here we have two O in this example, computeronics. One O is here, and I want to know the position of this O. So what I have to do here is I have to give a position which is after this, say 2 comma O. Now what it will do? It will start searching the position of the first occurrence of this character after 2. Yeah, from 2. Right? Say suppose what is going to happen is after 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be 8. Now this index of function will start looking this O character from this position 2. And then it will found that it will be on the 8th position. So this function is used to search for a character from a given position. Then you can use this index of second format and.